Now for the worded questions. This one's actually the trickiest one here. You could use short division, but it's quite tricky to do because it uses quite big numbers. So I guess the other way you could have done it was to keep adding 22 until you get to 176, because then that's an indication of like how many liters per minute until the bathtub fills up. So for example, if I said it's 2 liters per minute, then it's 2 times 22, or 22 plus 22, but that's only 44 liters. We need 176. So it's not 2 lots of 22. We just need to keep adding 22 until we get the answer. So 22 plus another 22. That's clearly not enough. Another 22 will make this. Clearly not enough. And then we keep going. And then keep going. And then keep going. And there we go. We've reached our total that we needed. And so this is if it was 1 liter every 22 minutes, 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters, 5 liters, 6 liters, 7 liters, 8 liters. So it's exactly 8 liters will get us the exact 176 liters that we needed. That's the hardest question in the test. Question 2 is just about reading it properly. It's not actually that difficult. 2 cartons of milk. They're 2.4 liters each. So 2.4 plus 2.4. So we've got 4.8 liters of milk. But now, how much did we finish? It's because we need to know how much is left. Some children had 1.2 liters. Other children had 950 mils. I know that to go from liters to milliliters, I can just times by 1,000. So that will end up giving me this, because 1.2 looks like this, times by 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Because 1,000 has 3 zeros, so we've got to jump across 3 times. We're going to have a dot after the 0. So 1,200, or 1,200, plus 950, 0, 5, 1, 1, 2, 2, 150. Now this one over here, I can do the same to turn that one into milliliters. So that will be 4.80123. So it will actually be 4,800 milliliters. That's how much total milk we had. This is how much we drank. So to figure out how much we've got left is just simple subtraction. So 2,650 milliliters or 2.65 liters. Either answer is fine. They both are saying the exact same thing. That's that. Now, Ashley's teacher asked her to bring 3 pieces of yarn, each no shorter than 0.8. Ashley found a piece of old yarn that's 280. Does she have enough? So Ashley found 280 centimeters. 0.8 meters is 80 centimeters, because when we turn 0.8 from meters to centimeters, we've got to multiply by 100. 100's got 2 zeros. 1, 2 jumps to the right. The decimal would actually be after 0. That's how we change the 0.8 to 80. If we've got 3 lots of 80 centimeters, of at least 80 centimeters, will we have enough to bring to school for something that is, we needed at least 80 centimeters for each one. We've got 280, 3 lots of 80. If you know your 3 times 8, no, it's 24, and you just put the 0 on the end. And we only needed 240, and we have 280, so we have more than what we needed. So yes, we have enough to bring to school. The next question. Height of the tree is 4.2 meters. Jack's ladder is 2.8. Jack is this tall. If Jack is on the tree, if Jack is on the ladder, is he taller than the tree? and it's saying how much taller. So tree, I'm going to do a triangle for a tree. That's my tree. It's 4.2 meters tall. And we've got a ladder and we've got Jack. So they're saying that, and feel free to use diagrams if they help you. We know that he's supposed to be taller, so this is maybe to scale a little bit. Jack is 179 centimeters tall, and the ladder is, there's my rungs of my ladder, is 2.8 meters. No matter what, I've got to change to make everything of the same units. Because two of them are already meters, I'm going to change this one to meters, and 179 centimeters will change to 1.79 meters. Now I can just add my 1.79 with the 2.8 to figure out how tall we are here. And you should get 4.59. 4.59 meters tall. Comparing 4.59 to 4.2, I just have to do a subtraction to figure out the difference between them. And that's in meters, or you could also have 39 centimeters. Either answer is fine. Let's check. All right. Last two questions. This one tricked a couple of people. So Muriel's doctor prescribed 250 milligram tablets for her to take. She must take 2 tablets a day, 7 days a week. How much medicine does she have to take in a week? I didn't actually worry too much about how you expressed the answer, but I'll show you the way that they're asking as well. But I'm happy with either. 250 milligrams, per tablet, 2 of them a day. 2 times 250 is 500. You can just do addition if you didn't know that off by heart. 250, 250, you know. 0, 1, 5. Okay. Now that's 7 times a week, so every day there will be 500. To do 500 times 7, you could just do addition, or the quicker way will be, if you're doing 500 times anything, it's just like times 5, you've just got to add the zeros afterwards. 7 times 5, if we know our times tables, is 35, with the 2 zeros afterwards, it'll be 3,500. So it's 3,500 or 3,500 milligrams. If you wanted to have it in grams and milligrams, you would separate it like this. You know, it's a bit like separating dollars and cents. You're not changing the total, you're just wording it in a different way. You could say this is 350 cents, or you could say it's $3.50. No, I'll have it like that, 350 cents. Hopefully that makes sense. Last one here. Bob bought a sack of feed, 2 kilos for $10. Which is, if I divided both of those by 2, 1 kilo is $5. $5 for every kilo. That's Bob. It's $5 per kilo. When it comes to Job, he gets 4 smaller packs, each weighing 500 grams. 4 times 5 is 20, plus those 2 zeros is 2,000 grams. 2,000 grams is 2 kilograms. So Job can get 2 kilograms, but they're $3 each for 4 smaller packs. So 4 times $3 to get my 2 kilos will actually be $12, which if I divide both of them by 2, because I just want to get 1 kilo to compare apples with apples, I will end up getting 1 kilogram equals $6. So that's $6 per kilo. So who got the better deal? Who got a cheaper feed for the chickens is Bob, because he only had to pay $5 for each kilo, while Job had to pay $6, an extra dollar per kilo. So our answer is Bob got the better deal. Good on you, Bob. So yeah, they were the questions. If you have any queries or any questions about anything that I've gone through, just please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.